Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hey!
Hello.
Hi guys,
Hello.
we are 3 months now. Hey! Unajikaza nini baba? Huh? Mwekelee tu. Wewe.
Hi guys, welcome to the Angels family. So today we are gonna play Sandra's my auntie's hair. So my auntie's hair and my auntie's name is Sandra and my name is Vakila. So my mom is preparing our lunch. So like, subscribe, share, and comment. Hit that
Notification bell.
Hit that notification bell. So today we are gonna play Sandra's hair. Twist out. So let me tell you something. So yesterday I plaited my hair. So let me show you.
Inama. Geuka. Songa sana tanyanga.
Do you like them? So, do you want to say hi to my auntie? Say hi to my auntie.
Hi guys, welcome to the Angels family. I'm doing my hair so that I'm taking my twins for 14 weeks jab. Yeah, come with us and I'll show you what's going to happen.